Makwe Mountain is not just a rise of earth in Zimbabwe. It is a shrine, a sacred pillar that calls the soul to higher ground. For centuries, pilgrims have carried their burdens, prayers, and hopes to its slopes, finding there a meeting place between heaven and earth. When you walk its path, you do not walk alone. You walk with your ancestors, with the whispers of those who came before you, and with the light of healing that still flows from the mountain's heart. Each step you take upwards is a shedding of heaviness. The climb is not only physical, it is spiritual. As you ascend, you leave behind fear, despair, and confusion. At the summit, you arrive lighter, clearer, and filled with strength that cannot be bought or imitated. Many who visit Makwe Mountain return with renewed health, restored families, awakened visions, and the courage to face life with unshakable faith. But the mountain does more than heal. It binds us together as one people. Pilgrimage is a journey of unity. To climb Makwe is to join a family of seekers who know the value of light, sacrifice, and connection. Each year, men and women, young and old, come together around this sacred fire to cleanse in the rivers, to pray at dawn, and to receive the energy that only Makwe gives. This is why Makwe Mountain is known as the altar of Africa, a place where your voice is heard, your soul is lifted, and your destiny is aligned. To make your journey more than a single visit, we invite you to join the Mountain Passport membership. This passport is your key to an ongoing relationship with Makwe. It is not just a card, it is a covenant. As a member, you gain access to pilgrim bookings, sacred teachings, and annual climbs that keep you connected to the spirit of the mountain. Through your subscription, you become part of the living story, a guardian of the sacred path, and a receiver of the mountain's blessings throughout the year. With the Makwe Mountain passport, you are no longer just a visitor, you are a pilgrim in covenant, recognized and remembered. You carry with you proof of belonging, of having touched the holy rock, of having stood where ancestors stood, and of walking forward with power. The invitation is open. The time is now. Come to Makwe Mountain, climb with us, pray with us, heal with us. Carry your light from the altar of Africa into the world. Step into the world of Khokhovula Gundabaloyi books, a voice of spirit, wisdom, and power. My books are written to awaken, to guide, and to heal. I invite you to read them, share them with others, and leave your reviews. For your words keep the movement alive. Every book is a flame, and together those flames become a fire. You can find my books on Amazon, Draft2 Digital, Everend, and many online stores available worldwide on the internet, in both print and digital formats. Join the journey, carry the message, and let your review be part of the legacy. Read, share, and shine the light forward. We thank you.